Hey everybody, Eve here. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. And the product that I'm going to be reviewing is called the Ninja Pen. And it is by LuxLipsLabs. And what I love about this pen is it requires no needles and it is almost painless. I mean, most people say it's painless compared to hyaluronic acid or filler injections that you get at a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon or a cosmetic surgeon. Wherever you go to get injectable fillers in your face because of fullness, like you want fuller lips or you just want to get rid of your nasolabial folds or your marionette lines. Excuse me. The plague's going around again. Anywhere that you can get injectable fillers in your face, you can use the Ninja Hyaluronic Pen or Hyaluron Pen to do the same thing without needles and with far less pain. Now, a lot of people say it's painless. I wouldn't go so far as to say that because this does use, even though it doesn't use needles, it does use high pressure air. Let me unscrew the pen to give an example. You pull this little lever and then there's a button, and then that uses a real high pressure air to make a microscopic opening in the skin where the hyaluronic acid is deposited. So when you get the pen, you will also need to get some kind of hyaluronic acid that is made for the pens. It's a particular type of hyaluronic acid that's cross-linked, and it can't be more than 20 milligrams as far as consistency or texture. I'm going to be honest. I don't create this stuff. I just use the pen. And you'll also need, this is a 0.3 pen, and these are the ampoules that you need to get also. So you'll need to get the filler, and Hyophilia is one of the fillers that is made for the Hyaluron Pen. 1 mil is like $120, and then you'll get these ampoules. Those are going to vary in price. They generally average $3 an ampoule. And then the Ninja Pen by LuxLipsLabs was $195. So with shipping or whatever, it was a little over $200. So, not going to get into the specifics of how it works. Like I said, it's a product review. I personally believe that if you want to, do injectable fillers at home, I'm certified to do this. Not everyone knows how to do this, but hey, it's being sold to anyone, whether you're a licensed professional or not. I'm not advocating anybody that doesn't do their homework or do some research and study about how to do this, be doing it, and especially teenagers. But, hey, it's a free country, last time I checked. So, boom. And I also realized that you're not going to stop people from doing something anyway. So, since the product is out there and people are using it, this video is for people that are looking for a good Hyaluron pen and just didn't know which one to purchase because they're all over Amazon, they're on eBay, they're everywhere on the internet. So hey, if you're going to get one, get a good one and get it from LuxLipsLabs. Now, like I said, I'm going to have links beneath the video. I'm not going to demonstrate this product. I'm just telling you this is an excellent product. And yeah, the Ninja Pen, like I said, is under $200. Maybe a little over, once you've included the shipping and what have you. But if you just buy the Ninja Pen, you'll need to also buy the ampoules and the filler before you can use it. And you can't use any ampoules. They have to be ampoules that are 0.3 for the 0.3 pen. There's also 0.5 pens, but for face fillers, I wouldn't use those. I would use those more for mesotherapy because these aren't just for fillers alone. They're also used in other applications and other techniques. And then also LuxLipsLabs will send you these sweet little flashcards that help you with, product placement, a little bit pre and after care, and little note cards, but I'm also going to have a link under the video to a girl on YouTube that I think is an absolute professional. She's the best at teaching people how to safely and successfully use this particular pen or any other pen, but I do believe she sells pens as well. So, but you know what, I'm gonna hook her up. Her name, she's called Hyaluron Queen with a K. And like I said, if you want to buy a pen from her, I'm certain her pens are good as well. I'm just telling you, this one's my pick, this one's my choice. I did a lot of research and I've purchased the pen, and this company is amazing. If you have any questions, they're going to be there for you and support you 100%. Everything that you need is on their website, from the ampoules to the fillers, and then not just the hyophilia fillers. That's a funny word to say, hyophilia fillers, but you know, anything you need. And also, another word of caution, always make sure that your prep space before you do any type of procedures to your skin. That's derma rolling, micro needling. I don't care what it is. If you're possibly puncturing or damaging or just breaking the surface of your skin, you need to be using alcohol. So get some alcohol wipes and sanitize your station and take the necessary precautions. But yeah, if you're in the mood to do it yourself, and now you can, go to LuxLipsLabs.com and purchase the best Hyaluron pen. I believe that is on the market. That is made. Period. Get it. You won't regret it. I haven't. And in the meantime, while you're here, thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, ring that notification bell for future video uploads. And may Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. Yeah. Go get a ninja pen. Live dangerously and beautifully.